New Hello, Year 2, Term 1, by Rebecca Adlard and Claire Hart.
People in different countries celebrate different festivals, but they all cook special meals for their families when they're celebrating together. Let's look at 3 examples of special meals from around the world. Many Egyptians celebrate the festival of Eid al-Adha every year. The most popular meal to eat on this occasion is a traditional fatar. Egyptian families usually eat fatar for breakfast. In Britain, Christmas is the most popular festival of the year. British families come together on this occasion to eat a special meal, which is usually roasted turkey with potatoes and other vegetables. And finally, let's go to China, where the New Year is the most important festival of the year. Families like to have lots of different things on the table when they get together to eat at Chinese New Year. This usually includes spring rolls, noodles, fish, and chicken.
Student's Book, Unit 2, Lesson 2, Exercise 1. Listen to someone talking about meals from 3 different countries. Match the pictures with the names of the meals.
Nasi goreng is a meal with rice from Indonesia. In fact, the words nasi goreng mean fried rice in Indonesian. Many people believe that nasi goreng is one of the spiciest meals in Indonesia, but for most people, it's simply the best meal you can eat. Nasi goreng is made by frying rice and adding vegetables and either chicken or prawns to the pan. It's a bit saltier than some other Indonesian meals, and it often comes with a fried egg on top. Nasi goreng is usually cheaper than most other meals in Indonesia. You can get it either in restaurants or from people who cook food on the side of the road.